impressive, and it's just now the beginning of June. Are we going to be worse than we were last year, Jamie?
Yeah, I definitely think this is going to be one of the hotter summers that we've had. Probably the hottest summer we've had since 2012. I don't know that it's going to be that extreme because that was a bad summer.
Yeah.
But we're certainly already looking at some heat, plenty of it going back to May. 94 today. This is after a high of 94 yesterday. This was the hottest weekend that we've experienced so far this year. And there's a look at June. It's certainly been off to a hot start. Temperatures running 6 degrees above normal already, with most days registering highs in the 90s. Again, 94 the last couple of days. It's also been very, very dry. There have been some areas that saw a few hit or miss storms back on Friday and then again on Saturday afternoon, but most areas were dry. And here in Springfield, the only day that we've had any sort of precipitation that was measurable was a trace back on the 2nd. Looking for some wet weather in our forecast over the next few days. We're not finding it on radar right now. We're not finding it in the region. In fact, across most of the region, it's very quiet. We've got pockets of stormy weather, one to the east across Illinois and Indiana, more here across parts of the Dakotas back into western sections of Nebraska. Our troubles, well, it's twofold. There's not a whole lot of moisture for these showers or thunderstorms to work off of here in the Ozarks. The other factor is that we've still got this upper level ridge sort of centered on top of the Ozarks, and that's a storm stifler, and that's why it's been a hot and generally dry weekend. And we're going to start off our work week on the same note. After a warm and quiet night tonight, here's a look at our Monday forecast. Looks like almost a carbon copy of the last couple of days. It's going to be mostly sunny. It's going to be hot with highs back in the low to mid 90s. We will have a cold front edging in from the west. This front will make its way into southeast Kansas and northwest Missouri overnight Monday night. And it looks like with the heat and humidity ahead of that cold front, we could find at least some clusters of strong to severe storms, especially to our west across Oklahoma, Kansas, and in northwest Missouri. There is also some chance, if this activity does develop and can organize, that we could find a line of strong to severe storms trying to make its way south and southeast into at least west central areas of Missouri, maybe into southwestern areas of Missouri. And that would be overnight, Monday night, could provide a strong wind risk if that does unfold. And that's a little questionable at this time. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast. No worries of any wet weather overnight tonight. And for tomorrow, most areas are going to stay dry. There is a signal that there could be a few isolated showers and thunderstorms maybe over our eastern counties. Areas to the west, though, should stay dry. We'll have to wait and see what unfolds to our west and northwest overnight Monday night. Temperatures tonight, they'll drop off to about 70 with highs tomorrow. The hottest readings are going to be over southwest and west central areas of Missouri, where it looks like mid-90s will be common. Areas to the east and southeast of I-44 will tend to see highs around 90 degrees. Winds out of the southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour and a 7 on our color radar. Now, again, some good news is at least we have an opportunity at maybe widely scattered showers and thunderstorms Tuesday into Wednesday, but the ridge of high pressure, which has kept us hot and dry this past weekend, will build northeast back into the area later this week and through this upcoming weekend. So I expect hot and dry conditions to return. Here's our 7-day forecast. Again, mostly dry on Monday, a risk of overnight storms, maybe some widely scattered shower and thunderstorm activity on Tuesday. This would mainly be south of I-44. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. More clouds, better rain chances should help the heat ease back a little bit, with temperatures topping out around 90. And then later this week and into this upcoming weekend, hot and dry conditions return with highs back in the low to mid 90s, and that includes Father's Day.